Fix Microsoft Teams videos not showing. If you're in a meeting and you have to show your face, but for some reason your camera is not opening and showing you the face. This could be due to many reasons. The first is if the Microsoft Teams app is lacking your camera permission from your phone. To fix that, you open up Settings if you're using iPhone, scroll down to the Apps section, and you go ahead and then simply search for Microsoft Teams. So just go ahead and then select the Teams app over here. Once done, you can see camera and microphone. If these options are disabled, your Microsoft Teams app won't be able to communicate with others. So you have to make sure that this option is enabled. But even if this is enabled and you're not seeing a video whenever you're in a certain meeting, that could be because you have turned off your video over here. So if you tap on this little icon, your video will get disabled like this. And if you turn this on, your video will be enabled. Also, it could be that if you tap on the three dots, you might have set the background effects to maybe something like this, which is why others won't see your video while you preview. So you simply go ahead and then select other options over here, and they'll be able to now see your video. And this way you can fix if your camera or video is not showing on Teams app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the video end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.